Managing customer relationships, sales pipelines, and internal workflows is essential for any growing business. But finding the right CRM that's both powerful and affordable can be a challenge. That's where OneHash CRM comes in. Designed to offer an all-in-one business management solution, OneHash combines customer relationship management with tools for sales, marketing, support, inventory, HR, and more, making it specially appealing to startups and small to medium-sized businesses. So to get started, simply head over onehash.ai/CRM, and from here you can start a free trial to see how the CRM works. So simply sign up for an account, and after signing up, just sign in, and you will now be redirected to your dashboard that looks like this. So basically, this is how you can begin your journey with OneHash. So as you can see, you can all just follow all of the steps right here, such as creating an item, creating your customer, and create your first sales invoice. So as you can see, just follow all of the steps to get started. But for now, I'm going to walk you through its features. So as you can see, this is all of the features in the left-hand side, such as the accounting. So you'll see it right here. So as you can see from here, you can set up your taxes, your accounts. So as you can see, you can review your chart of accounts, setting up your taxes, account settings, and all this. We also have our buying section right here. So what's good about this CRM is it has all of the instructions on how to get started with each feature, so you won't get confused. So as you can see from here, just follow the settings or these instructions. Just go to your buying settings. You'll see your purchase order trends right here and all of the shortcuts. Next is selling. Again, just follow these instructions. You'll see your quick access right here. All of the settings features such as the customer quotation, sales orders, and all that. For the items and pricing, it's right here also. Next, you have the stock, the assets. So you'll see all of it right here. Manufacturing, quality. So you'll see all of it right here with the shortcuts. So basically the most important one is the CRM. So this is what your CRM will look like. So this is basically your menu. You have your shortcuts right here. You have the sales pipeline section, the master section, reports, campaign, your settings, and maintenance. Let's say you want to edit your sales pipeline. You can see this is your leads. Let's go back. This is your leads. You can add leads right here. Just put all of the information right here and click on save. Next, we can watch or see our dashboard. This is how our dashboard will look like. So basically, it's all in one place. You can just select which section you want to access. Let's say the customer. From here, you can add your customers also by clicking Add Customer and fill up all of the informations needed. So basically, what's good about OneHash is it has all of the features right here, including your CRM with only shortcuts. So it's not really that hard or confusing to use. You can just see it, all of it right here. Just select it, and from there you'll be redirected to the specific section you've selected. So that's basically how you can use OneHash CRM for your business needs. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.